Hi everybody. In today's class we are going to discuss another connective tissue that is known as areolar connective tissue. Okay, areolar connective tissue and followed by adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. So first we are going to see areolar connective tissue. So what is areolar connective tissue is, okay, this areolar connective tissue is also known as loose connective tissue. See here, because of their arrangement, okay, because of their arrangement they are loose connective tissue. So areolar connective tissue, they have fibroblast, this is known as fibroblast. Okay, this is fibroblast, and this fibroblast will have what? Proteins. This fibroblast will have proteins. Those proteins are known as so first we are discussing about the fibroblast. Fibroblasts, they contain what? They contain proteins. What are those two proteins? Okay, they contain the two important proteins. What are those two proteins? They are collagen fiber protein, okay, and elastin fiber protein. And another name of elastin is reticular. Okay, reticular. So these are the two proteins that is produced by fibroblast. Okay, fibroblast. So this is the fibroblast, and it is having what? The collagen fiber. This is collagen fiber. And this fibroblast only will generate what? Elastin protein. Okay, elastin protein. Other name is reticular fiber. Okay, so this fibroblast is having a cytoplasmic extension. Here you can see cytoplasmic extension and irregular in shape. What is its shape? It is irregular and having what? Cytoplasmic extension. Okay, they are irregular and having cytoplasmic extension, and the collagen fiber and this elastin fiber, they are associated with this fibroblast. So fibroblast will have what? Protein. Okay, it contains proteins. Those two proteins are collagen fiber protein and elastin fiber protein. Another name is reticular fiber, and its shape is irregular, and it is having what? Cytoplasmic extension. And the next one that we are going to see is, okay, so the next one we are going to discuss is macrophage. This is macrophage, and this one is what? These are collagen fiber. And this is reticular fiber. Other name of reticular fiber is elastin fiber. Okay, and this is the mast cell. This is mast cell, and okay, these are collagen. This is reticular, and this is fibroblast, and this is mast cell. And this will be the plasma cells. Plasma cells. Okay, so we have labeled everything, and this will be the matrix, and that fluid filled part is matrix. Okay, so here collagen fiber, they provide tensile strength. They provide tensile strength, and reticular fiber, they provide elasticity, because the other name for reticular fiber are elastin. So they provide elasticity. Okay, and next we are going to discuss about macrophage. Macrophage. Okay, so next one is macrophage. These are involved in fighting against germs. So macrophage means what? These cells, they function as engulfing to the foreign particles. Okay, their function is to engulf the foreign particles and kill. So these are macrophages. And collagen fibers, they are unbranched. And see here, they are found as bundles. Whereas reticular fiber or elastin fiber, they are branched and they are single. Branched and single. And collagen fibers, they are unbranched and they are in bundles. Okay, but these are single, these are bundles. Okay, next it is mast cell. This one is mast cell. Mast cells are slightly oval in shape. So these mast cells, they produce substances like heparin. This heparin is anticoagulant. That means whenever there is no need of that whenever there is no need of blood clotting by prothrombin, this heparin is going to accumulate and stop it stops the secretion of the prothrombin. So prothrombin is the blood clotting factor, and heparin is also one blood clotting factor, but this inhibits the secretion of prothrombin. So there is no need of blood clotting now. So this is anticoagulant produced by mast cell. So all these are areolar tissue. Because of their arrangement, they are loose connective tissue. They are known as loose connective tissue. See, in the matrix, they are present. Their arrangement is having loose connection in the matrix. They are present here and there. Okay, they are present here and there. So macrophage function is to engulf the foreign particles. Okay, so all these cells are present in areolar tissue. Okay, areolar tissue. Okay, so areolar tissue is having what? It contains cells. It contains cells, fibers. Okay, fibers like collagen fiber and reticular fiber, and it contains what? Matrix. Okay, matrix is the substance on which all these cells are embedded, or all these cells are found on the matrix. Okay, so where it is located, now we will see where it is located. So areolar tissue, because of its space, more space and arrangement, it is known as areolar tissue, and it is located between skin and muscles. Between skin and muscles. It is located between skin and muscles, and it fills the space of organs. It fills the spaces of organs. Okay, and it also repairs tissues. It also repairs tissues. Okay, so where it is present? It is present between skin and muscles. It is present between skin and muscles. Now here, mast cells. Mast cells, they produce three substances. They produce three substances. They are heparin, okay, histamine, heparin, histamine. Okay, they produce two substances, heparin and histamine. So histamine reacts when there is allergy. Histamine reacts when there is allergic reactions. Okay, when there is allergic reactions. So that's why, okay, areolar tissues, they are present between skin. Okay, present between skin. So whenever we are getting allergic reactions, it is shown in the skin. It is shown in the skin. Why? Because of this histamine produced by mast cells, okay, which are present in the areolar tissue. So this is found in skin, okay, between skin and muscles. Between skin and muscles. Okay, so areolar tissue, they are present between skin and muscles, and it is found around blood vessels. They are found around blood vessels. Okay, so they are found around blood vessels and even in the nerve cells. Okay, nerve cells and in bone marrow and in even bone marrow. Okay, they are found between skin and muscles. They are found around blood vessels and they are found in nerve cells and even in bone marrow. So next connective tissue that we are going to discuss is adipose tissue. So adipose tissue, they have what? Large cells. Adipose tissue, they have two types of tissues. Okay, one is adipocyte and the other is fiber. Just like collagen fiber and the reticular fiber found in the areolar tissue. So adipose tissue, they have large adipocytes. So adipose tissues, okay, they have large cells. Known as adipocytes. And these large cell is centrally placed by fat droplets. Okay, so centrally placed by fat droplets. See here, that's why it is having more space at the center. And the nucleus and cytoplasmic content, they are going to be pushed at the peripheral side. Okay, so here you can see this is peripheral side. So nucleus is pushed to the peripheral side and cytoplasmic extension is also towards the peripheral side, and at the center it is having more space for what? For fat globules. To store what? Fat globules. That's why they are known as adipocytes. That's why they are known as adipocytes. Adipocytes. Okay. Because they store what? Fats. Because they store fats, that's why known as, these cells are known as adipocytes. Okay. So they have large adipocyte cells and fibers. Fibers. Here you can see this is collagen fiber found in bundle, unbranched, and these are branched and single reticular fiber. Reticular fiber. Okay, reticular fiber, and even there are blood vessels because we are seeing the cut part of the adipose tissue. This is blood vessel. So this is blood vessels, and this is the elastin or the reticular fiber. Reticular fiber, and this is the collagen fiber. Collagen fiber. Okay, collagen fiber, and we can find them in matrix. We can find them in the ground tissue known as matrix. Okay, so I hope you understood the structure. You understood the structure. Okay, so adipose tissue is of two types, right? It is of two types. One is adipocyte, the large cells that contains fats, and the other cells, they are fibers. So adipose tissue is of two types. They are adipocytes and fibers. Adipocytes and fibers. Here you can see collagen fibers and reticular fibers. And based on the function, again they are of two types. Based on the function, again they are of two types. Okay. So based on the function, they are of two types. Okay. Yellow fat, we call it as yellow fat, and brown fat. Okay, so brown fat, they are found mostly in infants, and invertebrates, invertebrate animals. Okay, and yellow fats, they are found, okay, they are found in adults. Okay, they are found in adults. That's why when the children, they get cold, they do not shiver, but whereas adults, we shiver because of the muscular movement. We get heat in our body. Okay, and as the infants, they start growing, slowly this brown fat is going to reduce. Okay, now yellow fat, they are found in adults. Okay, they are found in adults, and they are found under the skin, and even around important organs. So this fat, they protect. Okay, their function is to protect our organs. Okay, lower region of our body, we have many important organs like kidney, okay, stomach, intestine. So these fat, they surround these important organs and they protect our organs. So they also help in protecting, okay, important organs that are found in our body. Okay, so these are the functions. Okay, based on the functions, we have two types of adipose tissue. Okay, they are yellow fat and brown fat. Yellow fat and brown fat. Why I am saying here fat? Because when we talk of fat, that means we are talking of adipose tissue. We are talking of adipose tissue because adipose tissue that store fats. They store fats. Okay, what they store? Fats. Who? They are adipose tissue. They are adipose tissue. So adipose tissue, they store fats. Okay. So in today's video we saw all these two types of connective tissue. First one is areolar connective tissue and the next one is adipose tissue. In next video we are going to see about muscular tissue. Thank you.